Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time and I'm so sorry I couldn't upload any video because of there was some problem with my camera and the phone was not working. I know I'm not allowed to make bahanas being a YouTuber, but I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I really did not have anything that I could shoot with, so please forgive me. Okay, so today actually we are going to talk about, I am going to try Korean skincare routine. Koreans always look very young, and the only secret ingredient in their diet and in their skincare routine is rice. So they do everything, all their skincare process has rice in it, rice, water in it. And to try out Korean skincare routine to see actually if it makes any difference. I have no makeup on me right now, and I just have kajal, which I'm going to remove. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'm using the Lakme Absolute Makeup Remover, the bi-faced one, which I have shown in one of my previous hauls, and it really works very nice. I mean, it's an oil-based remover, so it works very nicely on waterproof makeup. Guys, please let me know in the comment section that whether I'll do my videos in English, Hindi or Bengali. Tell me in which language you people want me to do my videos. So the first thing that actually I have a bit, I have a lot of power in my eyes. So without spectacles, I cannot properly see what's going on. So yeah, I'll just wear it sometimes to see if I'm just speaking to the wall or actually speaking, looking at the camera and speaking. Okay, so the first thing which they prefer in their routine is coconut oil. So first they always clean their face using coconut oil. So I'm going to do that first. I'm just taking a bit coconut oil in a cotton pad, and I'm just, I'll just cleanse my face. You can see I have no makeup on right now, and actually some dirts are coming out. Coconut oil can be used as a makeup remover, like it works very nicely. Okay, actually the thing which we are trying today is a glass skin, the trend that is going on with the Korean skincare, that is the glass skin. They have like really clear and glass like skin. So this is the routine which they follow. So let me follow this for one day and see if there are any stark difference in the way I look. Okay, I'm done with that. So after this, we are supposed to use a herbal face wash to wash our face. So I'm using this Forest Essential cleanser. It contains honey, lemon and rose water. This is a 50 ml product. So I'm just going to go and wash my face. I'm back after washing my face. It's looking pretty much clear. Okay, so now we'll move on to the second step of this routine, that is the scrub. I have soaked rice in water for 5 to 6 hours, and after that I have grinded the rice with the water in a mixer, and then with that water I have made a cream, which the process I'll totally show in the any of the clips I'll attach in this video. And the remaining part of the rice, the granular parts, which we can totally use as scrub, which they use as scrub actually. So in this bowl of rice we are going to add some aloe vera gel. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so as you can see, we'll be putting some aloe vera gel into this rice dust, and we're just going to use this as a scrub. So this is a very pocket friendly kind of a skincare routine which you can do. Obviously it includes some of hard work, and yeah, we need to prepare a cream out of the rice water and binding the rice particles, but you can store it for 7 days in freezer. So I think it's worth it. Such pocket friendly skincare routine, if you are, and if it works for you, I think it's great. I mean, I don't know it's going to work for me or not. This is the first time I'm trying in front of you guys, so let's see what the results are. I had put this in freezer for 2-3 hours, and now it's like really cold and it feels really good on my skin. This granules are like really soft. Like after you soak the rice for 2-3 hours, the granules become like really soft, and it won't feel very rough on your skin. I'm just gonna go and wash my face after scrubbing like really nicely and removing all the dead skin cells that we have, especially on your nose area. This is the soaked rice which we have soaked for 5 to 6 hours, and after we have grinded it into a smooth paste. The watery part we will use as the base of the cream, and the remaining part we can use as the scrub. Now this watery part we will boil in a non-stick kadhai, because if you use normal kadhai it will stick to the base and make the cream bad. Now the final result we can see is the scrub and the cream. I'm back after washing my face after the scrubbing, and I feel that my skin has become like really smooth, and I can feel and I feel very fresh. My skin looks very fresh. I don't know what you guys can see, but I feel really good after this scrub. So next step is we have taken some yogurt, and in it we have put some honey. I think you guys can see. So just mix it, and I'll apply on my skin and leave it for 10 minutes. honey nourishes your skin very deeply. All the Indian skin routine also, the home remedies, it contains honey. And it doesn't smell, as bad as I thought. It's, it's doable. I sure I'm looking like Joker, but my skin feels really nice and smooth. Now we're just gonna go ahead and wait for 10 minutes. See you after 10 minutes. I've washed the mask, guys. My skin really feels soft and smooth, and I don't know if you can see, I think it's glowing too. I mean, if you compare it from before, I think my skin is glowing and it definitely feels more softer. So the last step of this routine is the rice water cream that I have prepared. Now moving on to the last step of the routine, I have this rice cream, the cream that I have made out of rice. And this cream, you need to add 2 vitamin E capsules. Okay. These vitamin E capsules you can get in any medicine shop, it's not a problem. These are very common and it doesn't cost much also, only 25 rupees. So it's not at all costly or something. So I'm just cutting it with a scissor and putting it. So yeah, I'm just going to mix it now very nicely, and this is going to be the final touch to the whole routine. So let's see how it looks. So apply like a normal moisturizer. I think you can see the glow. I really did not think that it would work this nicely. Come very soon. I'll just do a Durga Puja lookbook starting from Shoshti to Doshami, because hey, Bengalis will get out, at least if they are not going for pandal hopping, they will go to their Parar Pujo, and we will actually dress up and we will go. So I'll just show you some of the looks that you can create this pujo. Honestly, I don't like the cream. All the 3 steps were okay, but I really don't like the cream. I don't think so it's working on my skin. I mean, I'm just doing this and it's just coming off. Yeah, I'm not satisfied with this cream. Maybe I did something wrong, I don't know. maybe, but this stuff is not working for me. No, no. So yeah, this was for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Style Potion. And yeah, I'll just come back with new videos very soon, the Durga Puja lookbook, so stay tuned, and bye. Love.